Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Jlb7tech Baby Monitor is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for new parents, offering peace of mind and a constant connection to your little one. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. This review will dive deep into the Jlb7tech Baby Monitor, exploring its features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your family's needs. Number 5. iFamily Baby Monitor 5 Screen. Easily pan, tilt, and zoom to see every corner of the room. The large 5-inch screen provides a crystal clear view, giving you complete peace of mind. Enjoy a safe and private connection with our enhanced 2.4 GHz FHSS technology. It operates without Wi-Fi, ensuring your baby's safety and your privacy with no risk of online hacks. See your baby clearly even in complete darkness. Our invisible infrared LEDs provide a vibrant and distinct view without disturbing their sleep. Keep your baby comfortable and encourage longer sleep. Features include room temperature display, two-way audio, and soothing lullabies. Stay connected up to 960 feet away. It also includes smart features like disconnection notifications, battery-saving eco mode, and expandable camera options. Set it up quickly and easily. You can place it on a tabletop or mount it on the wall for the perfect viewing angle. What we like? This monitor offers a large, clear display and an impressive 30-hour battery life, ensuring you can keep an eye on your baby for extended periods without constant charging. Its no Wi-Fi functionality guarantees privacy and security. If you prioritize a long-lasting, secure, and easy-to-use monitor without the need for internet connectivity, this is an excellent choice for peace of mind. What people say? The Jlb7tech Baby Monitor has a clear picture quality, even in low light conditions, making it easy to check on your baby. The two-way audio feature is very useful, allowing you to soothe your baby with your voice from another room. The monitor offers a stable connection with a long range, ensuring you don't lose signal even when you're in the backyard. Number 4. Babysense 5 HD Split-Screen Baby Monitor. Keep an eye on both your little ones simultaneously on a single screen. You can even connect up to 4 cameras to the main unit for complete coverage. Enjoy a crystal clear, high-definition view of your baby's room without any Wi-Fi connection. This ensures your feed is secure and hack-proof. Easily pan, tilt, and zoom up to 4x to get a closer look at your baby from up to 1,000 feet away in open space. Calm your baby from anywhere using the two-way talk feature, pre-programmed lullabies, or soothing white noise. The adjustable night light also helps create a peaceful environment. With a 4,000 mAh battery and power-saving mode, this monitor automatically activates when it detects sound. IR night vision ensures you can see your baby clearly, day or night. Gain peace of mind knowing your baby is safe and sound. This monitor comes with 2 cameras and operates without Wi-Fi, eliminating any hacking risks. What we like? With its split-screen capability and 2 included cameras, this monitor is perfect for families with twins or multiple young children. The HD display provides a clear view, and the substantial 4,000 mAh battery ensures it won't die during crucial moments. If you need to monitor multiple children simultaneously on one screen, this is the ideal solution for comprehensive oversight. What people say? The camera quality is excellent, providing a clear picture even in low light conditions. The two-way audio feature works perfectly, allowing for clear communication with the baby. Setup was incredibly easy and the app is very user-friendly, connecting quickly to the monitor. Number 3. ARENTI D3 Set Baby Monitor. Introducing the ARENTI D3 Set, a smart baby monitor designed for modern parents. It offers advanced features to keep your little one safe and sound. Your family's privacy is paramount. This device utilizes an AES-128 advanced security chip, ensuring bank-level data encryption and account protection for complete peace of mind. Experience incredibly clear footage with its 3MP UHD cameras. Enjoy 4x zoom and enhanced night vision with 8 IR LEDs, plus a gentle warm night lamp for comfort. Benefit from advanced AI features like motion tracking and danger zone alerts. It also includes lullabies, remote calling, feeding reminders, and temperature-humidity monitoring. Enjoy a strong and stable transmission range of up to 1,000 feet with lower latency. Record precious moments with support for up to 256 GB SD card storage. Stay connected through the dedicated phone app or the 5-inch display. The split screen feature allows you to view both cameras simultaneously, ensuring you never miss a thing. What we like? This monitor stands out with its Wi-Fi 6 support and 3MP UHD cameras, delivering exceptionally clear footage accessible via a smartphone app. The AI tracking feature automatically follows your baby's movements, providing advanced monitoring. If you want the most advanced features, remote access via an app, and the clearest possible video quality, this is the monitor for you. What people say. The Jlb7tech Baby Monitor has a clear picture quality, even in low light conditions, allowing parents to see their baby clearly. The monitor features a two-way audio function, enabling parents to soothe their baby with their voice from another room. It offers a long-lasting battery life, providing peace of mind for extended monitoring periods without frequent recharging. Number 2. UKSUP Baby Monitor with camera and audio. Experience a crystal clear view of your little one on the large 5-inch screen. With remote pan, tilt, and zoom capabilities, you can see every angle, day or night, thanks to its advanced night vision. Stay connected for up to 30 hours on a single charge in Vox mode, or 10 hours with the screen on. This device ensures you're always aware of your baby's needs without constant recharging. Comfort your baby from anywhere with the two-way talk function. You can also play 8 built-in lullabies to help them drift off to sleep peacefully. Ensure your baby's comfort with the integrated temperature sensor. Receive alerts if the room temperature becomes abnormal, helping you maintain the ideal environment. Enjoy peace of mind with a secure, private connection that doesn't require Wi-Fi or an app. This device uses FHSS technology for safe internal transmission, protecting your privacy. With an impressive long range of up to 960 feet, you can keep an eye on your baby from anywhere in your home, ensuring you never miss a moment. What we like? This monitor boasts a long-lasting 30-hour battery and operates without Wi-Fi, ensuring a secure and uninterrupted connection. The remote pan-tilt zoom feature allows you to get a perfect view of your baby's entire room from the parent unit. If you value extended battery life, secure private viewing, and the flexibility to adjust the camera angle remotely, this is a great option. What people say. The Jlb7tech Baby Monitor has a clear picture and good sound quality. The monitor has a long battery life, lasting for several hours on a single charge. The camera can be easily adjusted to get the best view of the crib. Number 1. ARENTI 360 degrees Baby Monitor B2 Kit. Introducing the ARENTI 360 degrees Baby Monitor, your ultimate solution for keeping an eye on your little one. With a 355 degrees pan and 100 degrees tilt, you can remotely view every corner of the room. The advanced 1080p camera and 4x zoom ensure you never miss a subtle movement. Experience crisp infrared night vision that allows you to watch your baby even in complete darkness. Receive instant sound and motion detection alerts directly to your phone or via loud notifications from the monitor itself. Comfort your baby from anywhere with the crystal clear two-way audio feature. Talk, sing, or tell stories to soothe them, providing a great sense of security and helping them drift off to sleep peacefully. Enjoy the convenience of a non-Wi-Fi video baby monitor. Utilizing advanced 2.4 GHz FHSS technology, it creates a secure connection for peace of mind, perfect for travel or when you need a moment to yourself. Your privacy is our priority. Footage is securely stored with end-to-end encryption on Amazon's AWS. You'll receive free 6-second event recordings for 7 days, ensuring you always have access to important moments. Easily adjust notification sounds and screen brightness on the display monitor. Its portable design makes it ideal for use anywhere, allowing you freedom without missing a beat. What we like? Offering a 360 degrees panoramic view with 1080p resolution, this monitor ensures you never miss a detail in your baby's room. It connects via Wi-Fi and includes an app for remote viewing and alerts. If you desire comprehensive room coverage and the convenience of monitoring your baby from anywhere via your smartphone, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Jlb7tech Baby Monitor has a clear picture quality, even in low light conditions. It offers a wide viewing angle, allowing you to see more of the crib. The audio monitoring is excellent, with clear sound transmission and no noticeable delay. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.